Hello friends, welcome to NP Wildlife channel, the channel that has been created by Ngabo Peter to equip you with enough information about wild animals. Today we are going to talk about life of one of the tallest animals. Can you guess which is it? Well, giraffe. Guys, pay much attention. In this video we will include the general background information of giraffe and its biology. Let's go. Giraffe is an African artiodactyl mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. It is traditionally considered to be one species, Giraffe camelopardalis, with 9 subspecies. Height. Northern giraffe measures 4.6 to 6.1 meter. They eat acacia plants. Scientific name Giraffe. Mass. Northern giraffe weighs 800 kg adult. Speed. Giraffe can run up to 60 km per hour. This is its maximum speed. Gestation period. Northern giraffe has 15 months. Habitats: savanna, grassland, woodland, forests. Giraffe has any of 4 species in the genus Giraffe of long-necked, card-chewing, hoofed mammals of Africa, with long legs and a coat part of irregular brown patches on a light background. Giraffes are the tallest of all land animals. Males, also bulls, may exceed 5.5 meters in height, and the tallest females, also cows, are about 4.5 meters. Using prehensile tongues almost half a meter long, imagine, they are able to browse foliage almost 6 meters from the ground. Giraffes are a common sight in grasslands and open woodlands in East Africa, where they can be seen in reserves such as Tanzania's Serengeti National Park and Kenya's Amboseli National Park. The genus Giraffe is made up of northern giraffe, the southern giraffe, the Maasai giraffe, and the reticulated giraffe. Giraffes grow to nearly their full height by 4 years of age, but gain weight until they are 7 or 8 years. Males weigh up to 1,930 kg. Females weigh up to 1,180 kg. Imagine. The tail may be a meter in length and has a long black tuft on the end. There is also a short black mane. Both sexes have a pair of horns, though males possesses other other bony protuberances on the skull. The back slopes downward to the headquarters, explained mainly by large muscles that support the neck. These muscles are attached to long spines on the vertebrae of the upper back. There are only 7 neck vertebrae, but they are elongated. Thick-walled arteries in the neck have extra valves to counteract gravity when the head is up, which the giraffe lowers its head to the ground. Special vessels at the base of the brain control blood pressure. Giraffes prefer to eat new shoots and leaves, mainly from the thorny acacia tree, as you have been saying. Giraffes prefer to eat new shoots and leaves from acacia tree. Cows in particular, those are female giraffes, select high energy low fiber items. They are prodigious eaters, and a large male consumes about 65 kilograms of food per day. The tongue and inside of the mouth are coated with tough tissue as protection. The giraffe grasps leaves with its prehensile lips or tongue and pulls them into the mouth. If the foliage is not thorny, the giraffe combs leaves from the stem by pulling it across the lower canine and incisor teeth. Giraffes obtain most water from their food, though in the dry season they drink at least every 3 days. They must spread 4 legs apart in order to reach the ground with the head. Quickly, let's move to biology of giraffe. We are going to start with its evolution. The giraffe is one of only 2 living genera of the family Giraffidae in the order Artiodactyla, the other being the okapi. The family was once much more extensive, with over 10 fossil genera described. Their closest known relatives may have been the extinct deer like Crimacholecides. They, together with the family Antilocoplidae, have many placed in the superfamily Giraffoidea. These animals may have evolved from extinct family Palaeomelicidae, which might also have been the ancestor of deer. The elongation of the neck appears to have started early in the giraffe lineage. Comparisons between giraffes and their ancient relatives suggested that vertebrae close to the skull lengthened earlier followed by lengthening of vertebrae further down. One early graphid ancestor was Canthomix, which has been dated variously to have lived 25 to 20 million years ago. Skull and ossicones. Both sexes have prominent horn-like structures called ossicones, which are formed from ossified cartilage covered in skin and fused to the skull at the parietal bones. Being vascularized, the ossicles may have a role in thermoregulation and are also used in combat between males. Appearance is a reliable guide to the sex or age of a giraffe. The ossicles of females and younger are thin and display tufts of hair on top, whereas those of adult males end in knobs and tend to be bald on top. Let's see legs, locomotion and posture. The front and back legs of giraffe are about the same length. The radius and ulna of the front legs are articulated by the carpus, which, while structurally equivalent to the human wrist, functions as a knee. It appears that a suspensory ligament allows the lanky legs to support the animal's great weight. The foot of the giraffe reaches a diameter of 30 cm and the hoof is 15 cm high in males and 10 cm in females. 36. The rear of each hoof is lower and the fetlock is close to the ground, allowing the foot to provide additional support to the animal's weight. Giraffes lack jaw claws and interdigital glands. The giraffe's pelvis, though relatively short, has an ilium that is outspread at the upper end. A giraffe has only two gaits, walking and galloping. Walking is done by moving the legs on one side of the body at the same time, then doing the same on the other side. When galloping, the hind legs move around the front legs before the latter move forward, and the tail will curl up. The animal relies on the forward and backward motions of its head and neck to maintain balance and counter momentum while galloping. 327 to 29, the giraffe can reach a sprint speed of up to 60 km per hour and can sustain 50 km per hour for several kilometers. Allow me to talk about the giraffe's neck. The giraffe, right, and its close relative, the okapi, both have 7 cervical vertebrae. The giraffe has an extremely elongated neck which can be up to 2.4 meters in length, accounting for much of animals' vertical height. The long neck results from a disproportionate lengthening of the cervical vertebrae, not from the addition of more vertebrae. Each cervical vertebra is over 28 cm. They comprise 52 to 54% of the length of the giraffe's vertebral column, compared with the 27 to 33% typical of similar large ungulates, including the giraffe's closest living relative, the okapi. This elongation largely takes place after birth, perhaps because giraffe mothers would have a difficult time giving birth to younger with the same neck proportions as adults. Let's go to habitat and feeding. Giraffes usually inhabit savannas and open woodlands. They prefer acacia feeding. 322, the Angolan giraffe can be found in desert environments. Giraffes browse on the twigs of trees preferring trees of the subfamily Acacia and the genera Commiphora and Tamira, which are important sources of calcium and protein to sustain giraffes' growth rate. They also feed on shrubs, grass, and fruit. 324, a giraffe eats around 34 kg of foliage daily. When stressed, giraffes may chew the bark off branches. Although herbivorous, the giraffe has been known to visit carcasses and lick dried meat off bones. During the wet season, food is abundant and giraffes are most spread out, while during the dry season, they gather around the remaining evergreen trees and bushes. Let's talk about mortality and health. Giraffes have high adult survival probability and an unusually long lifespan compared to other ruminants, up to 38 years. Because of their size, eyesight, and powerful kicks, adult giraffes are usually not subject to predation, although lions may regularly prey on individuals up to 550 kg. Giraffes are the most common food source for the big cats in Kagera National Park, comprising nearly a third of the meat consumed. Although only a small proportion of the giraffes were probably killed by predators, as a majority of the consumed giraffes appeared to be scavenged. Nile crocodiles can also be a threat to giraffes when they bend down to drink. Calves are much more vulnerable than adults and are additionally preyed on by leopards, spotted hyenas, and wild dogs. A quarter to half of giraffe calves reach adulthood. Calf survival varies according to the season of birth, with calves born during dry season having a higher survival rate. Guys, thank you very much for watching our video. If you like our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe our channel. Also, you can comment, share. Thank you very much.